Step by step, what do I need to do when I want to create a lay summary? Step 1. Check if you qualify for uploading a lay summary. Has your organisation signed up yet? If so, you do qualify for uploading lay summaries. If not, then you can nudge your organisation into action to join our network, and you can do so by using our email template. You can find that on the How It Works page, and if you're accessing the video via the YouTube channel, you can see it linked in the description below. Step 2. Get clued up. Watch our videos on permissions, lay summary hacks, things to avoid, and check the How It Works page of our website for written guides such as the Guide for Authors. Step 3. Go and search for a mind-blowing publication. Find a suitable paper that you think the world must learn about. Step 4. Team up. Identify a professional working at a participating organisation who's happy to vet your lay summary draft. Step 5. Write, get feedback, revise, repeat. Write your lay summary, get input from important and relevant stakeholders such as service users, professional, friends and family. Step 6. Become a published lay summary author. Submit your draft via the collaborative website and have your summary signed off by your vetting professional. Then reap the benefits of unlocking science for everyone. Qualify to win prizes and scholarships. Step 7. Subscribe, like and follow. If you haven't done so already, then subscribe to our YouTube channel to make the Collaborative Library a sustainable, free resource forever. Follow us on social media too, to help us all learn, connect and contribute.